Introduction. Edgar Allan Poe was born 19th January 1809, died on 17th October 1849. He was a famous writer, critic, and editor. Turtle Heart is a story by Edgar Allan Poe and first published in 1843. Turtle Heart is considered a classic of the Gothic fiction genre. Turtle Heart is a first-person unnamed narrator. The story is set in house occupied by the narrator and an old man. One of the main themes of Edgar Allan Poe, the Turtle Heart, is a madness. Design of a madness. Poe used his word economically in the Telltale Heart is one of his stories to provide a perilous and mentally disturbed nation. Heighten the murders of service with a specific and entity are the old man's eyes, the heartbeat, and his own claim to sanity. Narrator motivation was never passion or desire for money, but rather a fear of the man's false device. Psychological aspect of narrator. This story illuminated the psychological contradiction that contributed murders. ID, ego, and superego are the three parts of the psychological apart defined in Sigmund Freud. Structural model of the psyche. They are the activity and interaction of our mental life in distributed model of the psyche. The idea is a set of uncountering instincts. The superego plays the critical and monology role, and ego is the organizing realistic part of the ego or superego. The example: the narrator admits in the sentence to deny the dreadful narrator, yet he is unable to comprehend should to be made. Madness. The main evidence of the character madness is founded in the nobody I knew grows very fair. Narrator is clearly insane, but he is not attempting to function in the real world. The word made does not occur in this passage, but he is found at other place in the Telltale Heart. Too nervous, very dreadfully nervous I had been and am, but where will you say that I am mad? This line shows the condition of a narrator that he is facing problem regarding his design of a murder. The old man, the nervous, explains that he is nervous. The repeated word very is show the unpleasant time of narrator. That was the eyes of the old man to become a fiction monomania for the madman. For 7:19, the narrator opened the door of the old man's room in order to shine silver and light on the evil eyes. The narrator described the eyes as being like the eyes or virtual and eyes represent the window into the mind and soul. The narrator, the old man's natural eyes is always closed, making it impossible to do work. He just wants to kill these eyes. It is not possible for a mentally man, and they have a problem into evil eyes. Almighty Gordon, no, they suspected, they know. We are mostly for a mind murder. I reality the beating heart was probably his own beat in response to the guilt. Then the narrator confessed and he expects to kill old men because they are suffering from guilt and not suicide. In reality, the beating heart was probably in own beating response to guilt. Finally, narrator expects the crime. Conclusion. So it is reflected that the mental condition of narrator madness servant was displayed. Guilt or madness is a major theme and a horror story. Unnamed narrator or they are killed to the old man.